Hi everyone, just wanted to do a quick review on these balancing stepping stones. So first off, they're made very good, very thick plastic, but they're also really light, so you could take them anywhere. It comes with this bag, so you stack all of them inside of the big one, put them, throw them in here, and you could take them on the go. It comes with these gripper socks that my daughter has on, so they grip really well. It's gonna help them, so I'd recommend using those. They're all come in different colors and sizes. You could see they have fruits, some have numbers, shapes, letters. So a lot of stuff you could do with them. You could actually stack them all up. So the biggest one on the bottom and the smallest one on the top. But my daughter's got a lot of use out of it. She has fun, pretends the floor is lava, and she has to step on the stones. And yeah, as you can see, my 11-month-old is also liking them too. So I would definitely recommend. You'll get a lot of use out of these. Your children will love it. You can take them outside, inside, whatever. But yes, thanks for watching.